5-axis capabilities offer substantial advantages when it comes to simplifying job setups and streamlining manufacturing processes. So why does it seem like every 5-axis CAM package is either too expensive or too complicated to be worth it? HSMWorks uses a simple yet powerful workflow to transform any milling toolpath into 3+2 or positional 5-axis. Easily leverage the power of SolidWorks CAD and HSMWorks CAM to set up and program with multi-part fixtures to increase your efficiency. Reach features that would have taken yet another setup on a 3-axis machine, skipping the custom fixturing and machine setup time between operations. Plus, since the part remains in the same machine setup for most features, you maintain a tighter tolerance from feature to feature without painstaking locating processes. HSMWorks also includes full 5-axis toolpaths alongside the 2- and 3-axis milling capability and maintains consistency across operations. No massively complex dialogues or menus. Use tilting to cut with shorter, more rigid tools to reduce chatter and improve surface finish. HSMWorks will automatically tilt the tool when an interference is detected, avoiding collisions with the tool or the holder. Cut with the side of the tool, using the full flute to cut beveled edges, resulting in better surface finish and shorter machine time. Use lead, lag, and side tilting parameters to improve cut conditions where the tool meets the material, creating a high-quality surface and reducing tool wear. Verify your 5-axis toolpaths with stock simulation, including the tool, holder, work holding, and machine components, before you head to the machine. Use HSMWorks to unlock the power of your 5-axis machines without increasing programming time, upping your productivity and process efficiency.